Good morning, children. Today we will do reading for understanding the passage. In our part 1 of reading for understanding the passage, we have already done two passages, one of poem and one of prose. And in this part 2, we will do again one poem and one prose. The poem is The Cow and the prose is The Chameleon. Okay, children, first of all, we will do The Cow. What you have to do, you have to read the poem and then answer the question that follows the poem. Let's see what is in the poem. The friendly cow, all red and white, I love with all my heart. She gives me cream with all her might to eat with apple tart. She wanders, lowing here and there, and yet she cannot stray. All in the pleasant open air, the pleasant light of day, and blown by all the winds that pass, and wet with all the showers, she walks among the meadow grass, meadow means field, and eats the meadow flowers. And this poem has been written by R.L. Stevenson. Let's see what the poet want to say in this poem. The poet is saying that the friendly cow, by nature the cow is friendly, all red and white. You know that generally the cow, whatever you see on the road or whatever, wherever you see the cow, they are red and white. Here the poet is talking about all red and white cows. I love with all my heart. He is saying that he loves cause so much. She gives me cream with all her might. And why he loves cause? Because cause give cream with all her might. Might means power. Means actually cow gives us milk. गाय हमें दूध देती है. And we make cream with this milk. हम लोग इस मिल्क से क्या करते हैं? क्रीम बनाते हैं. वी मेक कर्ड, वी मेक पनीर एंड मैनी थिंग्स टू ईट विथ एप्पल टार्ट. बट why poet loves this cow? Because cow gives the poet cream and he eats that cream with apple tart. Apple tart is a dish made with apple. She wanders, lowing here and there. Wanders means moving aimlessly here and there. ऐसे ही घूमना इधर उधर. Lowing means with a low noise. And yet she cannot stray. But she cannot forget her way. लेकिन वो भूलती नहीं है कि उसे कहाँ जाना है. All in the pleasant open air. और वो पूरे समय खुले हवा में घूमती रहती है. And the pleasant light of day. And in pleasant sunlight, and blown by all the winds that pass. And the wind that is blowing, that is passing, she wanders here and there. And she wet in rain also. Showers means rain. She walks among the meadow grass. वो फील्ड में ग्रास पे घास पे घूमती रहती है. एंड ईट्स द मीडो फ्लावर्स. और जो भी उसे फ्लावर्स मिलता है मैदान में वो खाती है. ओके, नाउ लेट्स सी व्हाट द क्वेश्चंस आर गिवन. टिक द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. द कलर ऑफ द कॉ इज. You have to write only the color whatever is given in the poem. In the poem, the color given is red and white. So I have ticked second option, red and white. The color of the cow is red and white. The poet gets cream from the cow. Not apple tart, not apples. What the poet gets from the cow? Cream. The cow has for its food meadow flowers. Match the words with their meanings. What you have to do here? You have to match these given words with the meaning. First of all, first one is might. Might means power. Wander means to move here and there. Lowing means making a low noise, and stray means to lose way. Okay, you have to learn these words with the meanings. Now fill in the blanks we will do according to the above poem. The poet finds the cow to be a friendly creature. What type of creature? The poet finds that the cow is friendly creature. He enjoys the cream from its milk with apple tart. Apple tart is a dish, and the poet enjoys the cream with apple tart. He feels that the cow wanders here and there in all kinds of weather but does not stray, means does not lose the way. The cow enjoys the open air. What the cow enjoys? The open air and the pleasant light of day. It even bears the blowing winds and also gets wet in the showers. All these words are given in the above poem. You can go through that word. But in spite of all this, the cow continues to walk in the meadow grass. Where the cow continues to walk? In the meadow grass and eat the meadow flower. Always remember that thing. Eating the meadow flowers. Okay? Okay, children. This poem is now complete. Hope you all like this. Now let's do the other passage, the chameleon. Chameleon is a type of lizard. Let's see what is given about the chameleon. The chameleon is a strange looking lizard that moves very slowly. Lizard you usually see at your home on the wall. And chameleon is also a type of lizard, but it doesn't live in our house. The chameleon is a strange looking lizard that moves very slowly. ये एक ऐसा lizard होता है जो बहुत धीरे move करता है, चलता है. But this slow movement is only to befool its prey. To befool means बेवकूफ बनाना, and prey means शिकार, जिसे वो खाना चाहता है. So its slow movement is just to befool its prey. सिर्फ वो जिसे पकड़ के खाना चाहता है अपने प्रे को, उसको बेवकूफ बनाने के लिए उसका स्लो मूवमेंट होता है. इट कैन एक्चुअली कैच एंड swallow its prey in 1/25th of a second. It can actually very fast. Think about it. He can catch and swallow its prey in only 1/25th of a second. My God. 1 सेकेंड के 25वें हिस्से में वो खा सकता है. सोच लो, निगल सकता है पकड़कर. कितना तेज होता है वो. The chameleon is also famous for changing its color according to the background, making it possible for people to spot it. तुमने जरूर ये कहावत सुनी होगी, गिरगिट की तरह रंग बदलना. The chameleon is like that. It can change its color, and according to the background it can change its color, and it make impossible for people to spot it. लोग उसे ढूंढ ही नहीं पाते हैं. उसे नोटिस करने में लोगों को देर लग जाती. क्यों? क्योंकि वो बैकग्राउंड के अकॉर्डिंग अपना कलर चेंज कर लेता है. It changes its color with the help of special color cells on its skin. Now you will think that how can it change its color? It has some special color cells on its skin, और उसी की मदद से ये अपनी कलर चेंज करता है. These cells can help it look green, brown or beige according to the surroundings. और ये कलर सेल्स जो होते हैं उसे कभी ग्रीन बनाते हैं, कभी ब्राउन बना देते हैं, कभी मिट्टी के कलर का बना देते हैं, सराउंडिंग्स के अकॉर्डिंग बना देते हैं. Another surprising feature of this creature is that it can move its two eyes independently in any direction. Think. ये एक और सरप्राइजिंग फीचर है इसका. इस क्रिएचर में जो आईज होते हैं वो दोनों आईज को अलग अलग अपना हर दिशा में घुमा सकता है. सोचो, मतलब 360 डिग्री मूव कर सकता है वो अलग अलग आईज को अलग अलग तरह से. जैसे हम लोग एक साइड देखेंगे तो दोनों आंख से देखेंगे. ऐसा नहीं कर सकते हैं कि हम लोग एक साइड राइट आई से देखें और लेफ्ट साइड लेफ्ट आई से देखें एक ही समय में. ये नहीं हो सकता है, बट इट इज पॉसिबल विथ कैमिलियन. And when it spots an insect, its tongue, which is almost as long as its body, shoots at an amazing speed and catches the prey and pulls it into its mouth in less time than it takes us to blink. और जो इसका टंग होता है वो तो गजब का स्पीड से निकलता है अपने प्रे को पकड़ने के लिए. और पता है तुम्हें, इसका जो टंग होता है ना वो इसके बॉडी से भी लंबा होता है. ठीक है, और वो अमेजिंग स्पीड से निकलता है और अपने प्रे को पकड़ के फिर माउथ के अंदर लौट आता है. और इसमें इतना कम वक्त लगता है, मतलब पलक झपकता है तुम्हारा और ये काम हो जाता है. ब्लिंक जस्ट टेक्स अस टू ब्लिंक. सिर्फ हम पलक झपकते हैं और वो अपने शिकार को पकड़ के मुंह के अंदर कर लेता है. आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस. लेट्स सी व्हाट इज इन दिस. Why does the chameleon move very slowly? The chameleon moves very slowly only to befool its prey. Look at this answer. Let's see the other one. Pick lines from the text that suggest that the chameleon can hunt its prey very fast. The line, it can actually catch and swallow its prey in 1/25th of a second. This line shows that it can hunt its prey very fast. Why is it difficult to spot a chameleon? This is very clear, children. The chameleon changes its color according to the background, so it is difficult to spot it. जब बैकग्राउंड की तरह हो जाएगा, मान लो सपोज करो कि वो मिट्टी पे है और मिट्टी के कलर का हो गया है, तो हम लोग कैसे पता चलेगा कि वो है वहां पर. मान लो वो पेड़ पर है और पत्ते के कलर का हो गया है, ग्रीन बन गया है, तो कैसे पता चलेगा एक बार देखने पर कि वो वहां पर है. इट इज सो डिफिकल्ट टू स्पॉट इट. ओके, लुक एट दिस आंसर. यू कैन नोट डाउन. नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन इज, व्हाट इज स्पेशल अबाउट द chameleon's eyes? It can move its two eyes independently in any direction. We have seen in the above passage that the chameleon can move its two eyes independently. Always remember this word, independently, because वो अलग अलग दोनों आईज को घुमा सकता है अलग अलग दिशा में, in any direction. Now find words from the passage which mean the opposite of the following. Fast, slow. You have to write these opposite from the above passage only. These words are given in the passage, so I have written here. Fast, slow, possible, impossible, ordinary, special, short, long. Tall is also the opposite of short, but here tall is wrong. Why? Tall भी short का opposite होता है, लेकिन यहाँ पे tall हम नहीं लिखेंगे, नहीं तो गलत हो जाएगा. क्यों? क्योंकि passage में tall नहीं दिया हुआ है, long दिया हुआ है, and short is the opposite of long also. Now let's match the following words with their correct meaning. Here 5 meanings are given. You have to choose only 3. So be careful. Locate means to spot. Characteristic, feature. And pace means speed. To be full and to blink, you have to left. Okay. Now children, hope you understood all the passages. These two passages will help you to practice more and more for reading and understanding the passage and do the questions that follows. Okay, hope you like this video. Share and like this video and don't forget to subscribe it. Thank you.